I'm David with RapidMaterials. Today we're going to build a simple copper flower box using a variety of hand tools, perfect for the spring and summer months. Due to the high cost of copper, it's best to plan ahead and lay out a pattern like we did on this scrap piece of paper. After we establish our layout on paper, we transfer it to copper using a Sharpie. Avoid writing on copper with pencil, as the carving can cause permanent corrosion. Using Malco forged steel pattern snips, we cut the copper down to the desired shape. Using the Malco mini pan break or a similar tool, we bend along our pattern lines to the final shape. The premium soldering kit from Freund includes a soldering iron and all necessary parts and pieces to solder, except for the solder itself. Allow time for the express soldering iron to heat up as solder melts at around 800 degrees. While you're waiting, apply an even coat of flux along the inside of the box at the joint. Rotate position to better reach small spaces and corners. Begin the soldering process by dotting the corners to fix the copper end piece in place. Place the hot iron against the copper piece and add solder. As it begins to melt, move the soldering iron across to draw the solder into the joint. Rotate the piece to continue soldering all joints. Repeat the process along the outside corners of the box. Again, solder fluid and then solder. If desired, use a file and sandpaper to dress the solder at the ends of the box. When completed, wash the copper piece with warm soapy water to remove excess flux and allow to dry. It's ready to use. Now we have a beautiful copper box you can use to beautify your garden. Thanks for watching our video today. To purchase the tools you've seen in this video, visit us at RapidMaterials.com.